language enthusiasts, welcome back to iSchool Prep, the go-to channel for all your language learning needs. I'm Vaibhav, and today we have got a game changer for you. Ever wondered how to turbocharge your vocabulary and learn a whopping 100 words a day? Well, you have come to the right place. Stick around and I've got an ultimate guide on how to do it the right way. Learning 100 words a day might sound like a mountain to climb, but fear not. I've got some tried and true techniques that will make this journey a breeze. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Method 1. Chunking. First up, we have the chunking technique. Instead of swallowing the dictionary whole, break down your learning into bite-sized chunks. This not only makes memorization more manageable, but also helps you make connections between words. Remember, our minds love patterns. Method 2, the memory palace technique. Now let's stroll into the memory palace technique. Picture a place known well to you, like your home or your favorite park. Assign words to specific locations within that space. As you mentally wander through, you'll retrieve those words effortlessly. It's like having your own mental treasure hunt. Method 3, spaced repetition. Time to talk about the spaced repetition technique. Forget cramming. We are all about efficiency here. Review words at increasing intervals. This means you'll encounter a word just as you're about to forget it, reinforcing it into your long-term memory. Method 4, association. Next up, we have association, the art of creating mental connections. Link new words to ones you already know, or even visualize a scenario where the words would naturally come up. This not only makes learning more enjoyable, but also taps into the power of your imagination. Method 5, daily practice. Last but not the least, the golden rule, daily practice. Consistency is the key, my friend. Set aside a dedicated time each day to immerse yourself into your chosen language. Whether it's through flashcards, reading, or chatting with native speakers, make it a habit. And there you have it, the foolproof guide on how to learn 100 words a day the right way. Remember, it's not about the speed, it's about the progress. So pick the techniques that resonates with you, stay consistent, and watch your vocabulary soar. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your language learning journey in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more language hacks. And hey, share this video with your fellow language enthusiasts. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next iSchool Prep adventure. Happy studying!